Dr. K.K. Matthew is the happiest man on earth. He fully believes that he has achieved many times of the purpose for which he was born on earth. He has full satisfaction and he is ready to go any moment which God wishes. What all Jesus has given him. Inner life. Dr. Matthew's life is a quest, a search one after another. He faced numerous challenges in life. He has traveled on the thread between life and death many times, but his faith in God came for his rescue. In childhood, he has totally surrendered his life to Jesus. He saw a glow inside him at 4. His life afterwards was a search for it. It was like a mirage. The moment he tries to catch it, it escaped by a whisker. On the path to grab it, he jumped over many hurdles, covering few decades. The glow gave him the hope that one day he will catch it. On the journey towards the destiny, after facing so many challenges, he could grab the glow. He realized it was nothing but Jesus Christ who is the truth in his life. In the perilous journey, his faith in Jesus became so strong and unbreakable. Then his body was spiritually dissected out. The passion or aspiration for the world and worldly gone. The barrier between him and Jesus was crushed. His inner senses, which were closed by worldly passions, opened. Now he hears and sees with them. His soul is liberated from the grip of worldly passions. Everything occurred only by his intense faith in Jesus. He hears the words of Jesus. He lives now in the very beautiful world of soul. He feels and relishes Jesus at its center. Now he has only one duty to perform, that is to follow Jesus. Jesus tells him everything. It is the wisdom he gets from Jesus. Dr. Matthew realizes that he is an instrument in the hands of Jesus. In everything, Jesus walks through him. He came to the final realization that he is a big zero. Everything in him is Jesus only. Dr. Matthew's heart sings, I was born in Jesus. I live with Jesus. I live in Jesus. I live for Jesus. I will die in Jesus. Dr. Matthew is a renowned physician and medical scientist of international repute. Dr. Matthew has made several clinical observations, first of their kind in medical science. Dr. Matthew proved for the first time that the drug metronidazole is effective in the treatment of the dreadful disease primary cholangitis. He put forward the theory that anaerobic bacteria is the causative organism. 30 years after the publication of Dr. Matthew's article, Dr. Tabibian and team from Mayo Clinic, North America published their clinical trial with the drug metronidazole in patients of primary cholangitis, and they concluded that the drug metronidazole demonstrated efficacy in patients of primary cholangitis. They quoted Dr. Matthew's clinical observations. Dr. Dame Sheila Sherlock, world authority on liver disease and the editors of the prestigious postgraduate medical book Harrison's Principle of Internal Medicine, have appreciated Dr. Matthew's clinical finding. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, put forward the postulation that sesame oil can raise serum HDL to an abnormally high level. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, introduced a condition named acquired hyper-high-density lipoproteinemia. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, proved that the drug alpha-calcidol is very effective in the treatment for the disease cervical spondylosis, for which there is no other effective drug available. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, proved that horse bite can produce nerve paralysis and it's reversible. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, proved that the bacteria Micrococcus urea can decompose blood urea. The editors of the prestigious postgraduate medical book, Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine, have appreciated Dr. Matthew's clinical observation. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, published a special type of pneumonia. Dr. Matthew, for the first time, proved that the alkaloids of Tylophora indica is effective in the treatment of bronchial asthma. Previously, study was done with its leaves and alcoholic extract only. Dr. Matthew's study was quoted in many international publications, including the prestigious journal Thorax of British Medical Journal. Other clinical observations. Dr. Matthew proved that the combination of the drugs aspirin and hydroxyurea is effective in the treatment of the dreadful disease essential thrombocythemia. Dr. Matthew proved that the drug imipramine is effective in the treatment of a type of persistent vomiting which does not respond to any medicine. Dr. Kurt J. Selbacher, world-renowned gastroenterologist, distinguished Malik Straub Professor of Medicine of Harvard Medical School and the Director of Massachusetts General Hospital Cancer Center, has approved Dr. Matthew's clinical finding. It is worth nothing that Dr. Matthew did scientific studies mainly in a rural area without any advanced scientific facility, and still they attracted attention, appreciation, and approval at international level. It is the truth that Jesus dictated and Dr. Matthew invented. Dedicated service in rural area. Discarding all his better prospects, Matthew dedicated 46 years of his professional life in the rural region Onatukara in central Kerala for the betterment of the rural population. With the intention to improve the health standard of the rural population, he joined St. Thomas Mission Hospital at Kattanam as physician. He served there from 1974 to 1985. Dr. Matthew's fame as brilliant divine doctor who cares spread far and wide. By his very hard and dedicated work and professional brilliance, he attracted rural population. They look upon him as savior. During the 11 years he served there, he was totally confined to the hospital. As there was a steady stream of patients to consult Dr. Matthew, his consultation normally continued to late at night. Many a time, patients had to wait for 2 or 3 days to consult him. Because of his professional skill, brilliant clinical acumen, and erudition in the subject, he could cure almost all hopeless medical cases he came across. Dr. Matthew's tenure was the golden period in the annals of the mission hospital. Dr. Matthew played a major role in uplifting the hospital as one of the best mission hospitals in Kerala state. The hospital became the rescue center for the rural population. Dr. Matthew established the first ICCU of the rural region at St. Thomas Mission Hospital in 1976. That was a time people believed that death due to cardiac arrest was known to be handiwork of Mardan, another name of Kalan, the god of death. With the introduction of ICCU for once, poor people of the rural region began to learn that with timely intervention, heart attacks could be controlled. Dr. Matthew could save the lives of thousands of heart patients. He often had sleepless nights as he had personally supervised the treatment of heart patients admitted in the ICCU. Service at Kayamkulam. After completing his mission at Kattanam, Dr. Matthew shifted to Kayamkulam, which is also part of the rural region Onattukara. He worked as a consultant physician at Ebenezer Hospital in 1985 and 1986. Dr. Matthew initiated the setting up of the first ICCU in Kayamkulam at Ebenezer Hospital. He could treat many heart patients successfully. Independent service at Kayamkulam. In order to give personal attention to each and every patient who comes to him, Dr. Matthew started independent service from 1987. He has continued it successfully for 35 years till April 2020. He personally examined all patients. The rich and poor get his treatment without any bar. He treated mainly the poor and ordinary patients. He has placed a box on his table, and patients could put fees in the box whatever they like. Poor patients are treated free. The very sick patients are referred to major hospitals. Many of Dr. Matthew's poor cardiology and neurology patients had open heart surgery and brain surgery at SCT Center Thiruvananthapuram and AIMS Kochi. As proper diagnosis of the disease is the most important step for treatment. Every patient consulting Dr. Matthew got proper guidance and treatment. The clinical acumen of Dr. Matthew is widely acclaimed. Dr. Matthew has placed a marble slab in front of his consulting that it is Jesus Christ treating through him. Most of the patients have seen Jesus in the life of Dr. Matthew. Dr. Matthew could treat lakhs of poor and ordinary patients very successfully. Jesus has done many miracles through him. Reference: my blogs in his website www.matthewpagalomattam.org. For poor patients, Dr. Matthew was easily accessible without any financial burden. Dr. Matthew has stopped his medical profession in April 2020 after 46 years of dedicated and selfless service. It is the truth that Jesus dictated and Dr. Matthew treated patients. The whole credit goes to Jesus. Dr. Matthew's new concept. Dr. Matthew introduced a new concept in medical science. His postulation is that medical science is incomplete because it treats body only, not the soul. Medical science becomes complete only when modern medical science is combined with spiritual healing. Dr. Matthew has received many national and international awards, including the award for the best doctor of the state by the Kerala state government for his selfless and dedicated service. Literary person. Dr. Matthew is English poet of international repute. He is a noted novelist in Malayalam and a reputed philosopher. He is a great mystic poet of today. Dr. Matthew has written 40 books and were published. It is the truth that Jesus dictates and he writes one poem in 15 minutes. He has written more than 2,000 poems in 2 years. He has published 12 English poetry books through Amazon in 18 months. He has published 11 poetry books on soul. Dr. Matthew says that the whole credit of his achievement goes to Jesus, not to him. Collection of English poems. To My Love and to My Sorrow in 2000. Jasmine and Morning of Soul in 2000. Light in Darkness in 2001. Poetry My Soul in 2001, Heaven on Earth in 2002, The Voyage in 2011, the selected poems of Dr. K.K. Matthew in 2014, How I See in 2018. It is published through KDP Amazon. How I Perceive in 2018. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Sings in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Blossoms in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Echoes in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Whispers in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Smiles in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Sweetened in 2019. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Glows in 2020. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Glitters in 2020. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Heart Sings in 2020. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Heart Sweetened in 2020. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Heart Dances in 2020. It is published through KDP Amazon. My Soul Tinkles, to be published soon. The critical review and study of shorter poems of Dr. Matthew by 8 scholars was published in book form, World Within the World. Dr. Matthew's poems were published in international poetry journals and books including World's Best Poetry Journal, Spillwords. His poems were translated to Spanish and Polish languages by poets. Novels: Ende Sakhi in 1981, Tata in 1982, Neelagandhigal in 1992, Darshanam in 1997, Anarkham in 1998, Nere in 2014. Stories: Mazhadevangal in 2005, Aramindriyam in 2013. Other books: Kurishinte Thanalil in 1998, Doctor's Witness to the Mystery of God in 2000, Mind and Peace in 1985, Spiritual Medicine, A Doctor's Confession in 2006, Atmavinte Snehageetha in 2009, Healing of the Soul in 2010, Love Beyond the Stars in 2010, Yeshuvil Atmasatchalkaram in 2012, Manasandaratile Atmiya Rasapravartanangal in 2013, His Marks on Me in 2015, My Contribution to Medical Science in 2016. Dr. Matthew has received numerous international awards, including the Genius Award as the Living Legend of 21st Century for literary work. Some of the comments by great writers on Dr. Matthew. Dr. Matthew Isaac, the literary genius and former Associate Vice Chancellor, California, said, Dr. Matthew is the great Christian mystic poet living today. He is in par with the greatest mystic poets Jalaluddin Rumi and the 15th century poet Kabir Das. Annie Johnson, the great American poetess, said, Your poem is one of the best romantic poems I have ever read. Thaddeus Huruta, the great American poet, said, You are laurel of poetry universe. The great scholar Suresh Chandra Dwivedi said, I find your poems like that of Tulasidas, Milton, and Tagore. African poet Astan Bong said, "Your poems are spiritual enlightenment to me. You are God sent." African poet Moyo heard Atlas Douglas said, "Prophetic words. You are beyond this world. Thank you." Erlinda G. Tisado, Philippine poetess, said, "You have proven again as a king of poetry. I salute." Dr. Matthew's biography was published by CSS Tiruvalla, Kerala, India. Working in a rural area without any advanced facility, Jesus dictated and Dr. Matthew found out newer clinical observations in medical science for the first time. Jesus did miracles through him. Jesus dictated and Dr. Matthew treated lakhs of poor and ordinary patients. Jesus dictated and he wrote poems of glory. This video on the life of Dr. K.K. Matthew proves beyond doubt that Jesus Christ is living today amidst us. Dr. K.K. Matthew, MD, Senior Consultant Physician, Pradiksha, KP Road, Kayamkulam, 690502, Alappuzha District, Kerala, India.